Hello everyone, I am Priya Pandey from class 9th A from NKS High School, and today I am here to give you information about the Birdman of India, that is Sir Salim Ali. So let's get started. Introduction. Sir Salim Ali was an Indian ornithologist and naturalist. Salim Ali was also known as the Birdman of India. His full name was Salim Moizuddin Abdul Ali. He was the first Indian to conduct systematic bird surveys across India and wrote several bird books that popularized ornithology in India. Place of birth and family background. Salim Moizuddin Abdul Ali was born in Mumbai on 12th of November in 1896. Salim Ali was born into a Sulaimani Bohra family in Mumbai, the ninth and the youngest child of Moizuddin. His father died when he was a year old and his mother Zainatun Nisan died when he was of 3 years old. When Salim was of 10 years old, he noticed a flying bird and shot it down. Tender at heart, he instantly ran and picked it up. It appeared like a house sparrow, but had a strange yellowish shade on the throat. Curious, he showed the sparrow to his uncle Amiruddin and questioned him about the bird's kind. Unable to answer, his uncle took him to W.S. Millard, the honorary secretary of the Mumbai Natural History Society, amazed at the unusual interest of the young boy. Millard took him to see many stuffed birds. When Salim finally saw a bird similar to the child's bird, he got very excited. After that, the young Salim started visiting that place very frequently. Now let us talk about the next point, that is his education. Sir Salim Ali has studied and completed a degree in zoology from St. Xavier's College, Queen Mary School and University of Mumbai. Salim Ali attended college but did not receive any university degree. To assist his brother in tungsten mining, he went to Burma, which is now in Myanmar, but he spent most of his time looking for birds. Soon he returned back to Mumbai, urged to be an inventor. Salim had no postgraduate degree in bird science or biology, but in 5 to 7 years after marriage, he had gathered a lot of information on bird science and biology as well as on animals. In the meantime, he got a job in a friend's export unit. Father Blatter gave him a job as guide lecturer at Mumbai's Natural History Society Museum. After joining here, he realized that if he wanted to become an authority of birds, then he had to make his study systematic. No such course on bird science was offered in any institute anywhere in our country, so he decided to go to Berlin for such a study. There he started the study of birds with Bernhard, a young bird scientist. In Berlin, Ali studied with dedication and single-mindedness. In 1930, he returned from Berlin and started work in Nizam's Hyderabad. He also received some grant for this. He studied bird science and also made a survey of birds. His study of birds' habits earned him praise. Here he got a good opportunity to study the birds of Nilgiri. Now let us come to the next topic, that is his works. The Book of Indian Birds is considered a landmark book of Indian ornithology. Ali's magnum opus is considered to be the handbook of the birds of India as well as Pakistan, which he co-authored with S. Dillon Ripley. The 10-volume work covers the birds of the subcontinent, their appearance, habitat, breeding habits, and migration pattern, among other things. Awards and achievements. Besides the Padma Bhushan in 1958 and the Padma Vibhushan in 1976, Ali also received the gold medal of the British Ornithologists Union in 1967. He was the first non-British citizen to receive this honor. He also received the John C. Phillips Memorial Medal of the International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. In 1973, the USSR Academy of Medical Sciences awarded him the Pavlovsky Centenary Memorial Medal. The Government of India established the Salim Ali Center for Ornithology and Natural History at Coimbatore, that is SACON, in 1990. In 1970, he received the Sundarlal Hora Memorial Medal from the Indian National Science Academy. Ali also received honorary doctorates Muslim University in 1958, the University of Delhi in 1973, and the Andhra University in 1978. The Birdman of India, Sir Salim Ali, died on 20 June 1987. So thank you for watching our presentation. Hope you liked it. Made by Omkar Jadhav of 9th A and directed by Priya Pandey of 9th A. Thank you.